Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to quickly share with you things you need for dry season farming. So one of the things you need is adequate knowledge. You can acquire knowledge through one-on-one mentorship with a farmer, someone who has been into the business for a very long time. So you can meet the person one-on-one to mentor you on a particular crop you want to go into, or through trainings. Some people organize trainings for farmers, those into agribusiness or into farming. So you can get trained through this group of people. Also, you can get trained. You can acquire knowledge just as I'm teaching you right now. You can acquire knowledge. There are some videos that can be helpful to you. You can check on YouTube. You will see some videos that has to do with what you want to venture into. So you can watch there and also get trained. Also, you can also read books. Read some books that has to do with the area you want to venture into. If it is tomato farming, pepper, okra, they all have those books online, so you can check out and then acquire knowledge through reading of books. That's number one. Acquiring knowledge. You must acquire knowledge on what you want to venture into first before you can be able to succeed in it. Okay, so the second one we have here is acquiring your land. Yes, you have to acquire your land. You have to make sure you have a land to plant on. Okay, and not just having a land, you make sure that the place you site your land, the place where your land is sited is also good for farming. You have to test your soil to know whether the soil is okay, the pH level is okay for the crop you want to plant. The climatic condition of the area where the land is determine the kind of crop you will venture into. So you have to get your land ready, and also make sure the land is secured. If it is fenced or if it is secured anyhow, you make sure it's secured against theft and hoodlums and enemies. So get your land. That's the second thing you need to have. So the third one on my list is your source of water. Yes, your source of water. There's no dry season, like I have been saying. There's no dry season without water. Okay, you have to get your source of water. Is your farm, is it located close to a river, a stream? Okay, you have to check if there is a stream around you where you can get your water, or you sink a borehole. Preferably a borehole is more better, especially when you want to go into commercial farming. You sink your borehole, it is much more better. Okay, sink a borehole instead of digging a well or depending on all those streams. When we enter into extreme dry season condition, those streams might dry up. Even the well you dug might even dry up. Yes, it might dry up, but when you sink a borehole, it will be there. All you need to get is your pumping machine and means to power your borehole. Either some use solar and some use generator, even light. It's up to you to choose how you want to pump the water, but sinking a borehole is preferably better than any other source of water. So number three, make sure there is source of water. There is no crop that will survive without water. Dry season farming, you have to use artificial means of rain to irrigate your farm. Okay, that's the third one. Then the fourth one I want to talk about is your farm inputs. By now you have made up your mind the kind of crop you want to grow. So you should get all your farm input ready. You have to get your seeds, your chemicals, your fertilizers. You have to get them ready. Then the normal farm tools that we know, your hoe, your cutlass, your watering can, your the things you need in the nursery. There are things you need in your nursery, because if you want to venture into commercial farming, you have to construct your nursery first. That is the first thing you will do in your farm. You have to construct your nursery. So in the nursery, to construct a nursery, you need so many things. So those things are also part of the farming input. Okay. You have your seedling trays where you will plant the seed. Then you have your cocoa pit as planting medium in the nursery, or you use your potting soil. So you have to get all these things ready, okay, before you start up. So constructing of nursery, your shedding net, all those things, you have to get them ready. So it's part of the farm input you need to put in place before you start up your dry season farming. And also your irrigation materials, irrigation kits, they are also part of the farm inputs. As you construct a borehole in your farm, so you need this irrigation kits, your lay flat, your sprinklers, your drippers, all of them put together. Then you have to set it up in your farm after you have cleared the land and set the land, dig your ridges. Then you can now set up your irrigation system on the beds. Okay, so that's part of the farming input also. So another thing on my list is dependable workers. Yes, you need to get workers who knows what you are doing, workers who are interested in what you are doing. Not when you will be doing A, they are doing B. You need to get workers who are interested, who likes what you are doing, okay, who will fit into what you are doing, so that you don't say spray this chemical and they will go and spray more than required quantity. You will get workers who knows their onions, who are into the same thing you are doing, or who likes what you are doing. So these are the kind of workers you will get in your to work for you in your farm. And workers who will not steal from you, although I wonder how one can prevent that. But however, you need to get workers who are dependable, who you can trust, okay, who you can at least hand over some certain things in your farm, and everything will be properly taken care of. Another thing on my list is your finance. Make sure you have enough to cater for the farm. Make sure there is enough money set aside in case of emergency. In case of anything that comes up, you can be able to take care of it without looking around, looking for where to borrow money or get money to solve the issue at hand. Because there might be disease outbreak, or even farm workers getting injured, and it demands emergency. So you have to take care of that. It's also part of the farm business. These are the things that can occur in the farm. Okay, so that is it for now. Find this video helpful, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe and like. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you notify whenever I post a new video. Thank you and bye.